And I had to be okay with that reality that there won't be any closure. I won't, like, that forgiveness is not guaranteed from them. But what I have control over is the grace that I show myself. Nga, my mistakes do not define who I am. That I am the narrator of my own story.
Yeah.
And that I can give myself as many chances as I need to start over and start right.
Correct.
Ana.
So you guys are focusing on like second chances you owe to yourself in terms of the relationships na you
Ruined.
that you went through. Like, not, I wouldn't say ruined completely. Like, would you say na you ruined it? It's not a two-party thing. Like, yes, you ruined it, but like it's not only you. It's not solely you.
Well,
it's also
yeah,
like the other
but
person.
it's also acknowledging that you're part of the problem. It's
Yeah.
also acknowledging that you know what you could have done better,
Mhm.
but you did it anyway.
Yeah.
Mhm.
And
Yes.
because your mind was blurry and you didn't have any like better judgment, and you maybe your feelings, you let your feelings run your decisions, you know. So kana, it is a two-way street. It's not just like, it's not entirely one person's fault, but it could have been prevented if I didn't make that decision. Ana gali.
Okay.
Why? What about you?
What about me? What's the question? If you were listening to my question that you just answered, what's the question?
Sorry, ma'am.
Mayo kay mo manubag. What about you? I need to refresh me.
Basa
I need
na.
to refresh.
What?
Basa pala yun.
Wait, what is it? Second chances you give to yourself. So you guys focus or touched on relationship. Mine is more of the decisions that I've made in my life that brought me here, where people were expecting me to follow a certain path, and so
It's
that's
more
it.
owed to yourself.
Yeah, it's more owed to myself. But there's a lot of things that happened in my life na I also called it quits. But I think like calling it quits is also part of growing, because sure you gave up, but you gave yourself room to grow, not in that situation but somewhere else. So
And that's okay to walk away from things that no longer serve you.